did receive a couple of quotes from other builders, but Esteem provided us with the more value, so I chose to go with Esteem. Actually, our bathroom was pretty old and outdated, so it just needed to be changed, so we decided to renovate it. Yes, they did. They did deliver what they promised, and the time frame was whatever they said, like estimated 4 to 5 weeks, and it was done in that time frame. Yeah, communication was really good. Whenever I wanted to ask him something, I got the answer straight away. Very effective overall. I am. I'm extremely happy with the result. Yeah, I really like my new bathroom now. I would highly recommend Esteem, definitely, to my friends and family.